This is me without any filter on. As you can see, ang dami ko pang dark spots. Pero dark spots na lang yan. Wala na akong active pimples. So just for our friends, guys, this is my face condition noong April 15, 2025. And now June 2 pa lang, 2025. And as you can see, ang laki talaga ng aking active pimples here. Pati sa forehead ko, ang dami nila. As in, ang dami nila. But now, eto na siya. As you can see, dark spot na lang siya or acne marks na lang talaga silang lahat. As in, wala na akong active pimples. And now, I'm gonna share with you guys yung mga nag-work sa aking product para hindi na ma-waste yung money nyo. Kasi nagdaan din ako sa Face and Play. And as in, ang dami-dami kong dinidiring product. But, I'm so happy, I'm so thankful na itong products lang pala na to yung talagang makakatulong sa akin. So, 4 products lang naman yung recommend ko now, pero marami pa akong ginagamit. Pero sa tingin ko kasi ito talaga yung pinaka naging effective, kaya ito yun muna yung i-share ko sa inyo. One, ito talaga yung ginamit ko, Acne Mud Powder, Lux Organics, as in, parang isang gabi ko lang siya ginamit, nakita ko na agad na nag-dry na talaga yung pimples ko here. So, 79 pesos lang yata to, so you should buy this one. Pinaka-trending talaga to here sa TikTok, yung Quest Here Pimple Patch. Effective siya, talaga nakukuha niya yung oil na naiipon sa pimples natin. So, I like this one. But of course, if you're done cheating with your active pimples, inilagay na nung dalawang product na yon, magpapasid ka na sa Dark Spot Serum. I use the original Dark Spot Serum. It's very, very effective, guys. Talagang 2 weeks pa lang, pangalawang battle ko na nga pala to. 2 weeks pa lang, nakita ko na agad yung result. Talagang nag-lighten up yung skin ko. Nag-lighten up yung dark spot. And next, last but not the least, this is my holy grail, guys. This is the Sunny Breeze hand and body sanitizer. This disinfectant spray. Talagang ginagamit ko to whenever I'm sweating talaga. Especially nag-training kasi ako, guys. Lagi akong pawisin. So, nispray ko siya para ma-avoid ko yung mga patubo pa lang na acne. So, help ko kayo, guys. And come on, it's 2025. Let's all glow and have that perfect glass skin. Bye!